Today, we'll be demonstrating the product setup for the Powermatic woodworking 15-inch planer. Be sure to reference your instruction manual for important safety instructions, unpacking tips, and cleanup prior to assembly. Once you have the tools required, you're ready to get started. Begin by removing any screws that may be holding the 15-inch planer to the pallet. Use a forklift or hoist to carefully lift the planer off the pallet. The forks and straps should always be placed under the 4 lifting handles when lifting this machine. The lifting handles can be pushed back when not in use. It can be rolled on its casters to the desired location. Press the foot pedal to prevent movement during operation or adjustments. Exposed surfaces such as tables, rollers, cutter head, etc. have been given a protective coating at the factory. This should be removed with a soft cloth moistened with a good commercial solvent. Use extreme caution as the cutter head is sharp. To install the hand wheel, place the key into the slot on the shaft and mount the hand wheel to the shaft, making sure it's oriented so it slips over the key. Peel off the backing of the directional label and attach it to the center of the hand wheel. Place the flat washer and hex nut on the shaft and tighten it with a 17mm wrench. Mount the handle in the threaded hole in the hand wheel and tighten with a 14mm wrench placed over the flat on the handle. To install the starter box, mount the controls with the 2 socket head cap screws, which you'll find mounted to the head casting using a 5mm hex wrench. To install the extension tables, mount a cast iron table to the edge of the main table with 3 hex cap screws using a 13mm wrench. Do not fully tighten yet. The extension table must be leveled with the main table. Place a straight edge, such as a jointed board, across the extension table and the main table. The straight edge should not lie over the raised table rollers, as this would distort the leveling process. Insert 3 socket set screws with a 4mm hex wrench and screw them in or out as needed until the tables are leveled. Securely tighten the hex cap screws and mount the second extension table to the opposite side of the planer table using the same procedure. To install the dust hood, mount the dust hood to the rear of the head casting with 3 socket head cap screws with lock washers and 3 hex cap screws with flat washers. It is recommended that you use a dust collection system with this planer. If you're not using a dust collection system, do not attach the dust hood to the planer, as the accumulation of dust inside the hood may create a safety hazard or eventually cause jamming of the rollers. A power plug is not provided with this planer. Please refer to your manual for important electrical connection instructions. If you have any questions, please consult your instruction manual. Any additional servicing to your Powermatic 15-inch planer should be performed by an authorized service technician at a designated Powermatic service center. Don't forget that your Powermatic tool is backed by an industry-leading warranty. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.